All right, guys, update on these sockets from Olsatools. Man, this turned into my favorite socket set. This little case that this thing is in, these sockets are in, is freaking amazing. I love this little set of sockets. As you can tell, I've lost two of them. This one here I lost pretty quick. Of course, it's a 10mm, and this one here I think I might have just threw it in my toolbox in there because we've had some crappy weather here lately. But anyways, as you can tell, these things, I have beat this shit out of this case, these sockets, for the past month, and I absolutely freaking love them. Man, I don't really have anything at all bad to say about them. As you can tell, I've used them like they've rusted up some because these things have gotten rained in, they've gotten snowed in, and my job now is like I'm out in the weather, I'm out in the elements, and they're holding up. They're doing a good job. This little case, this little case is tough. I've dropped it off of a 740 cat truck fender. It didn't come open. I have nothing bad to say about these tools. I'm actually going to order the standard set and beat the shit out of them too. But I have a link down in the description for these. I highly recommend these sockets. This right here has been my go-to socket set since it got sent to me. And I would not recommend something that's junk. You guys watch my videos before, you know, if it's junk, it's junk. If it does a bad job for me, I tell you. I don't give two shits if it was free or not. But anyways, I highly suggest check these out. There'll be a link in the description for Amazon, and there'll be their actual website with a discount code. Go buy them, go pick them up and see what it's all about. All right, yeah, watch this. Look, stay together, love it. All right, catch you guys next time. All right.